you asked, I'm delivering. If we haven't met before, my name is Josh Myler. I'm a second year here at Drexel University. It's time to do a Summit at University City suite tour. Here we go. So we're gonna start by scanning our phone with the digital key. There we go, so welcome inside. All right, so listen, wouldn't be a cool tour if I didn't show you the coolest part first. So the coolest part to me is having built-in laundry. That's right behind this door hiding is your washer and your dryer. Talk about a cool amenity or perk of living at Summit. As we continue on, we've got an awesome fridge here. So, decent sizes. Depends on if you're gonna be doing a meal plan or not. Some second year students still do. And then we've got the freezer, you got your ice machine. So pretty much everything you would want in a fridge. Then we've got some storage, some pantry space, as you can see, to have different items. If you want to store cups, mugs, plates, utensils. And then obviously storage underneath the sink as well, on top of the sink too if you need. So 2-in-1 oven and microwave that does come with the unit, but this 4 or 5 tray item we bought off of Amazon. I'm gonna link everything that is awesome and cool about this place that we bought personally in the description, so be sure to check it out. Your sink, you got more storage up here. You've got extra storage on top there if you want to put stuff, and really I just think a decent amount of storage. Then you've got kind of a little bit of a living room or the remnants of one. You got your chairs here to sit and have meals with your friends. I think a really cool lounge area here. So again, if you have friends over for a movie night, stuff of that nature. The TV, one of our suite mates brought, so again, something that you will have to provide. And then, gotta have video games and fun other games to play. So we've brought that, as you can see here as well. And then we'll talk about the view later, but again, the higher you're up in Summit, the better. Then you've got your AC or your heat right here. So again, if we were to just turn it on for testing here, right, you can see that you can set the temperature. I like this. Obviously, last year living in a dorm, you weren't able to do this, so it's really cool depending on the temp. I believe each person, so we have 4 people total in the suite, each person has a $5-ish monthly limit on electricity. So try to keep the lights off when you're not around, all the stuff of that nature to save on your electricity bill. Now for the real deal, we're gonna enter into the room here. And so first thing I just wanna show off, probably looks similar like the setup last year, is the desk setup. So again, we've got my monitor, my computer. There is storage you'll see underneath here, and if I move the chair out of the way, so again, you can store a few things under there. The only thing, and you can let me know if you would want one, is there's no really like drawer here to pull out and store pencils and stuff like that. That's on my Summit wish list if they're watching this. And then again, we've brought the storage container and the printer, again, not coming with the unit. We purchased that and brought it as well. And then obviously the roommate side, another desk. And then you can probably see in the distance there, but the view here is really, really nice. I'll probably put on the screen some photos of sunrises, sunsets. Really cool if you're a view person, a morning person, night person. Just cool to see in general. Drexel flag, shout out to Rally House, sold separately as well on the Sixers poster. I hope they continue to do well this year. So then you've got your beds, standard similar size to the one last year in your freshman dorm here at Drexel. And then 4 different storage containers that you can store clothes in and stuff of that nature. I will say there is a lot of room behind this. So if you want to put, like I've got a mini suitcase. Moving on to kind of the final part of the room is this, there's a really cool closet space. First off, both sides have mirrors. So I really like that as someone last year who didn't have necessarily a mirror unless I left the actual room to see how cool the suit looks and stuff of that nature. So we'll show you I consider it really good closet space. You've got your shelf up there, you can store some books or what have you. And then honestly enough clothes too as well. I know the last year it kind of got jammed a bit. So you got your hamper as well. You can store shoes, you can store your basketball bag if you're a big basketball guy. Totally up to you. And then we'll do the other side as well. Hats, again, more clothes, if you want to store towels, stuff of that nature. All up to you how you want to use the space and customize it, but I am pretty impressed and I'm happy with the closet space. Then we make our way to the sink. Pretty good lighting. Again, your mirror setup as usual, and some cool space underneath to store stuff as well if you'd like. Again, bring the stuff that you think is best for you. And I didn't realize this until I moved in and played with it a bit, but you've got storage in there too. So really sweet extra storage that you can take advantage of. And then again, same thing on the other side. And then now we head into the bathroom. Yes, you do have a toilet, which is great, and some storage in this storage base right here, really good to take advantage of it. And then we do have quite some toilet paper if you need, if you really need. And then the shower. So we brought this curtain. So again, you're gonna have to bring that yourself. And this thing is from Amazon that holds all of our shower related stuff. And so that's basically the bathroom and that side of things. And overall, living at Summit here so far, I really enjoy it. I think it's a great space. It's definitely an upgrade over the freshman dorms. Be sure to let me know in the comments if there's anything that you're still wondering about living in Summit. More than happy to answer it. I'm going to be coming out with a full tour of other amenities like the gym and the Sky Lounge very soon. Be sure to subscribe and watch this next.